guys, guys, I'm panicked, and I need to, I need to do what I used to do, and that is to, and that is to make my face excited and feel that everything is okay inside me and around me, and I can do this, and I can do this successfully, and you guys will told me at the end that I did it. Guys, let me do one thing. Let me tell you something very beautiful in my past. I need to remember it. I was where I was when I was. Yup, yup. Let me think. Yup, let me think. We guys, no. Let me think. I need to remember it. I can do this. I will remember that moments which was very beautiful in my life. Let me think. I'm seeing, I'm remembering my past and some stories coming in my mind. But I need to figure out which one is very like that. Which one is very like that which I was referring. Let me think. What happened? Let me think what happened. Guys, some memories are coming, but they are not that of type. Let me think. When I was there where? Yup, I know. A guy which met me last night. The same guy many years ago met me in my relatives area. I was there and that person met me there. Basically, basically that person saw me that I will show you something that is like this. But then but then but then he showed me something that type of wall and claimed that this is that product. So this was funny for me that I remember it and I told that guy that you did this, and then we like smile or sorry what laugh, or I don't know what we did. I mean I can't explain. Sorry, I think my statement is incorrect. In the sense of smile or laughing, guys, I need to do something other. I need to explore things around me. I need to look at things, and while looking at the things, I need to remember something happened positive in my life. Literally, I'm remembering it. But let me think. Guys, when I was there. We yup. We cousins play in our village, and we hide and seek that type of play games, and that was very amazing moments that I remember. Yup, that our village was there, and yup, why UP? I mean, guys, I did not. I told you in the first session of this vlog that I will do this, and I did with my face and with the stories what I told. I mean, stories are unorganized, and you didn't get it, but I tried now. And that's what matters. That's what matters for me. I don't know if you are happy with this or not, but you can tell me this in the comment section. Guys, it's time for me to go because I need to continue this vlog for 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is about to completing. Guys, 30 seconds left. Less than 30 seconds times left, and I need to explore things. I am seeing at the crow, and crow is going there. Crow, this one crow, that one crow. Yup, you can see these crows are going somewhere. Guys, I need to go. guys, I need to go, and at the end I need to do something that is like very in excitement, like bye bye.